Oh man, this is fast. Wow.
What's going on, Rose?
It's snowing outside!
You don't have shoes on or socks.
Rose, what are we doing? Are you still working?
No! We're gonna work in two, work in two.
Working too.
Ready, go.
No spinning while tubing. Feet up. Go ahead. Alright, here goes Pops. Go. Man, this is fast. Wow. That one was better.
Have fun? How much time today?
Alright, we lost Rose. She couldn't handle the excitement. But I'm still having fun. Here we go!